Hello students, good evening students. Previously I have explained the complex compounds, a few topics. IUPAC nomenclature of complex compounds and Werner's theory of complex compound and different types of ligands we discussed. Continuation in the complex compound, another topic is here, molar conductance of complex compounds. This is also for mains as well as NEET students. For both students, this concept is important. Molar conductance of complex compound. Conductance. You know that already the word conductance. What is the conductance of solutions, liquid solutions? Water, that means aqueous. In the water, ions are present. The current is passing through the water because of inside the water due to presence of ions. For example, sodium chloride solid substance is there. Sodium chloride solid substance. In the form of a solid state, sodium chloride is non-conductor. It is a non-conductor because of ions are absent. It is a solid material, ions are not freely existing. The same sodium chloride dissolved in the aqueous medium, that means in the water, the Na plus we are representing like this, aqua, and Cl minus aqua we are representing like that. So this is aqueous sodium chloride solution. This is aqueous sodium chloride solution. In that solution, free ions are present. Due to that free ions, mobility is there. Na plus ions, Cl minus ions easily mobiles, that means easily moving. Due to presence of free ions in the aqueous medium, the solution have conductivity, current passing through that solution. So sodium chloride, aqueous sodium chloride, it is the conductance in nature. Sodium chloride is the non-conductor in nature. Sodium chloride, after dissolving in the water, how many ions are generating? Na plus, Cl minus. So here 1 plus 1, how many ions are existing here in the solution? 2 ions are existing. 2 ions. Molar conductance here the 2. MgCl2, magnesium chloride, after dissolving in the water, Mg plus 2 and 2 Cl minus. How many ions are generating here? 1 Mg plus ion, 2 Cl minus ions. Overall 3 ions. Molar conductance here the 3, molar conductance here the 2. Molar means molarity, simply molar. Molar conductance is applicable for aqueous solutions. The word is applicable for aqueous solutions, aqueous medium. So this word connect with the complex compounds. Complex compound, one of the best example, complex compound representing CO NH3 6 times. CO NH3 6 times Cl3. This complex compound, after dissolving in the aqueous medium, it is dissociated as a complex ion and ionic ion. This is complex sphere, this is ionic sphere. Complex sphere is existing as a CO NH3 6 times plus 3 plus 3 Cl minus. This is aqueous complex ion, this is ionic complex ion. Now observe here how many ions are present in the aqueous medium. This complex sphere is 1 ion, Cl minus ions are 3, 4 ions are present in the aqueous medium. What is the molar conductance here? 4 molar conductance. What is the importance of the molar conductance for both NEET as well as mains students? Here the important point is number of ions in aqueous medium increases, molar conductance increases. Molar conductance increases. That means conductivity of the aqueous solution increases. But in the examination, they are not giving like this mostly. They are not giving like this. In the examination, they are giving representation CO, Cl3, 6NH3. After dissolving in the water, how many ions are generating? How many ions are liberating this complex? You know this complex compound, how we are representing. Central metal atom is cobalt. Amine is the ligand, NH3 6 times. Outside Cl3, 3 Cl3s are existing. This complex is nothing but this one. This complex, after dissolving in the water, how many ions are producing? 4 ions are producing. So molar conductance depends upon the number of ions in the aqueous medium. So in the different complexes, observe here molar conductance, different complexes. Once observe the different complexes here. Here I gave 3 complexes. Look at here students, 3 complexes I gave. What is the molar conductance of these complexes? Which complex is the more molar conductance in the aqueous medium? Molar conductance. All these complexes are first of all octahedral complexes. Inside the complex sphere 6 ligands are present. This complex I am writing as a complex sphere as well as ionic sphere. Here the central metal atom is cobalt. Amines are 5 are present. Coordination number is 6. All the complexes. Coordination number. 1 Cl is existing inside the complex sphere. Outside 2 Cls. 2s are present. This is the complex representation. This formula. Next complex, observe here. CO NH3 4 times. Inside 2 Cl2s are present. Outside 1 Cl is present. This is the representation of this formula complex as a complex. Next, observe here the third one. CO NH3 twice Cl3. This is another complex. This complex after dissolving in the water, aqueous medium, CO NH3 5 times Cl. Here the minus 2, here the plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2 Cl minus ions. How many ions are liberated here? This is complex is 1, 2 Cls. Overall 3 ions are liberated. Now here how many ions are possible? 2 ions are possible. Here any ion is possible? No ion. Because of outside ionic sphere is absent. So number of ions are more, number of ions are more, conductance is more, molar conductance is more. So molar conductance decreasing order, this one, like this. Molar conductance. And one more point previously I told you also, in this way of expression, reaction with silver nitrate, that equation or that expression, that means that way of representation also important. This complex react with how many moles of silver nitrate, that means how many moles of silver chloride formation is taking place. That is depends on number of Cl minus ions outside. Here the Cl minus ions outside 2 are present, react with 2 silver nitrates and 2 AgCl is generating precipitate. Amount of the AgCl amount is important as a mole expression as well as the amount of expression also. So molar conductance. Like one more example also, observe here the molar conductance. One more example. Here students, few more examples here in the molar conductance observation. This complex after dissociation, how many ions are present in the aqueous medium? K plus ions are 4 are present and FeCN 6 times minus 4. Here 4, here the 1, overall ions how many are present? 5 ions are present. Here how many ions are present? Here 3, here 1, 4 ions are present. This is dissociate as a 3K plus the whole sphere is the 1 4 ions. Next observe here. 3Cl minus ions, so this one is 1, overall 4 ions are present. Here also 3Cl minus, so here the 1, 4 ions are present. Among the 4 molar conductance value, which one is more? This one is more. Molar conductance. Molar conductance basically depends on number of ions in the aqueous medium. Expect both NEET and as well as mains students molar conductance observation. But in the examination, the complex is not giving directly. If it is giving directly like this, it is easy, possible to everyone solving. But they are giving like a formula based, like this kind of expression: CO, Cl3, 6NH3, like this possibility chances. Okay, na students? Okay, na students? We'll discuss next concept in next video. Bye students.